everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. If you stopped by because you were curious what came in the large Laura Lee Los Angeles mystery box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, I am super excited because A, I love mystery boxes, and B, I'm excited because I have never tried anything from Laura Lee Los Angeles. So let's dive in and see what I got. If anyone is curious, as of my filming, which is on Saturday, April the 15th, these boxes are still available. I say these plural because I got the large, which retails for $75, and you are promised to get $186 worth of products. They also have a small box, which is $55, and I want to say like $129 product value. Don't quote me on that. I wanted to pick up the small box, but you know me and how I hate paying for shipping and handling. You have to spend a minimum of $60 to get free shipping. And of course, no site has something for $5. I had tossed a lip gloss into my bag and it still was shy. And then I thought, I'm probably going to get the whatever shade I pick in the box. So long story short, I talked myself into getting the large box for $75. All right, let's cut her open and cross my fingers that I will love and enjoy everything. I know she has a palette, what is it, the Tutti Frutti, the Tutti Patootie, something like that, which is right up my alley. I'm a neutral girl, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's in this box. On the website, when I placed my order, it doesn't tell you what's in the mystery box, but it did let you know what's coming in here. The large, I think we got a makeup bag, 1 tool, 3 palettes, and 5 lip products. All right, the first item on top is a palette, and it's all black. There we go. And it has some like rose gold writing. This just says Laura Lee Los Angeles. I'm not sure if it has a name or not. Let me get my little friend here. Distributed by Laura Lee Los Angeles. Made in the USA. Well, that's nice. It doesn't say what this is, so let's open it up and... Oh, interesting. I've never seen a palette that has this kind of foamy stuff in there. Oh! Okay, is this the tool? So this is just like a Z palette, like a magnetic palette. All right. Didn't know she sold singles. All right, next item. Oh, okay. It's heavy. Everything's in here. So this here is the makeup bag, and it's in my favorite color, black. It has a little handle, and it's very heavy because they put all of the products inside. All right, as I open it, she is filled to the rim. All right, let's start with the lip products. This here is a liquid lipstick in the shade Cabana. Girl, yes. Okay. The name, I was like, oh, it's going to be like a dark fuchsia. No, Cabana is a lovely nude. All right, lip product number 2. This here is also a liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Skimpy. Yes, also right up my alley. It is a pinky nude. I don't know if it will pick up on camera. There's a glare. It looks to be separated a little bit, probably because it was in transit. Let me mix her up. And this is a more pink toned kind of nude. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a neutral queen and love a nudie pink. All right, the next lip product is also a liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Blushing. This is what that shade looks like. Yes. Laura Lee, how is it I've never tried your brand before? Because you are just my nudie pink goddess. All right, that is what Blushing looks like. They all look very similar. My lights kind of wash it out. In real life, they are slightly different. Dang, Laura, where are the lip glosses? This here is yet another liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Old Rose, which is another nudie pink. Let's see how different or similar this nudie pink is. Okay, that one is more brown undertones and a little darker is right there. And the last lip product is also a liquid lipstick. Even though these are in shades I am not a fan of liquid lipsticks, not from any brand. I'm a bullet lipstick, lip gloss kind of a gal. At least they're in shades I like, and hopefully they don't feel drying on my face. But I do wish there was at least one or two lip glosses. All right, so this looks more pink than the other shades, and it is, yes, a darker pink, almost like a dusty rose. There it is there. All right, so let me pick one of the shades and we'll do a try on. Considering it's all the same product, at least now I don't have to try on 5 different lip products. All right, let me remove what's on my face. And I'm going to go in with the shade Skimpy. Okay, on the lips, it has a more kind of coral vibe, which is not jiving with my eye look. So let me grab a different shade. This here is Old Rose, and let's see if that will tone down the orange. Yes, okay, so Old Rose, oddly, doesn't have any rose or pink in it. It's more of like a brown. At least it's more nude and does not contradict or go against the purple eye look I'm wearing. All right, I really need a lip gloss because that's how I roll. It's not super dry, but it is the standard. I can tell it's a matte liquid lipstick, which I'm just really not into. So I'm going to add a lip gloss on top. So much better. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disappointed with the lip products. They're all shades I like, but why 5 liquid lipsticks? Why couldn't we have like a bullet, a lip gloss or 2, and then maybe 2 to 3 liquid lipsticks? But hey, you are rolling the dice when you order a mystery box. Moving on to this product here, which is a palette. And it's beautifully wrapped and has a nice little sticker. Not only was it beautifully wrapped with tissue paper, but there is bubble wrap on the outside. And this here is the Whimsical Nudes palette. I've never seen what this palette looks like, but based off of the name, hello, it has the word nudes, therefore, in theory, I should love it. All right, inside the box, this is what the palette looks like, and it does have plastic wrap around that. Very nice packaging. The letters are raised up, and let's take a look. Okay, yes, there is a mirror, and this is what the color story is about. There are some nice nudes here, and then what surprised me is there are some greens. Let me know if any of you have tried products from Laura Lee Los Angeles Cosmetics before, if you are familiar with this palette, or if you would be interested in seeing me do an eye look. The last item, which I'm hoping there's multiple things in here. This is very heavy. Again, there is tissue paper and a sticker. No, there's only one item in here. I'm wondering if they're calling this Z palette that doesn't have any product a palette. But then they said you get a tool, and I don't see a tool. I was honestly hoping I'd get one of her brushes. But this last product is very heavy. It looks like this. It says Glazed Bronzed Lit Kit. And on the back it says medium to deep and then light to medium. So I'm very curious if this is 2 palettes. Yes. Okay, so 1 box, 2. Okay, so that makes sense. So here's 1, 2, 3 palettes, and then I guess this is the tool. Okay, so I thought these were going to be contour bronzers. It says highlighter palette. Okay, so this here is the light to medium. Those are really pretty. Let me show the medium to dark, which obviously I won't be able to wear at least as highlighter, but that doesn't mean I couldn't wear them as eyeshadow toppers, although maybe I don't want to swatch it yet because I do have a 1,500 giveaway going. If you missed that video, I will link it in the eye above. go watch the video, follow the instructions so you can participate. If the winner has deeper skin tone than me, I can put that in the giveaway. All right, so here is the light highlighter. Let me do some swatches. I am trying to remove this liquid lipstick. I just have a makeup wipe and I'm struggling. These are on there. So if you are into liquid lipsticks and like them for their staying power, there's some good staying power here. All right, Patrick Starr's One Size Go Off to the rescue. All right, here are the highlights. Let's see if I can get it so you can see this one here. Yeah, even though this is light to medium, there are 3 shades. This one obviously is a little too dark for me to wear as a highlighter, but I can always put it on my eyes. These are really, really pretty. All right, that was everything that came in the mystery box. Let's recap. So I got a makeup bag, 5 liquid lipsticks, all in very similar shades, the Whimsical Nudes eyeshadow palette, an empty Z palette, the light to medium highlighter palette, and the medium to deep highlighter palette. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm honestly a little disappointed. A lot of it has to do with these lip shades and products. I don't get me wrong, I love that they're neutrals. However, they're all so very similar, and I'm more disappointed that they're all the same product. The liquid lipstick, doesn't she sell lip glosses or lip oils or bullet lipsticks? Like, why 5 of almost the same thing? The only thing I can think of is these probably weren't selling and thus get tossed in a mystery box. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I don't reach for single shadows very often, but hey, if I ever pick some up, at least I have an empty Z palette, although I really wanted one of her brushes. The eyeshadow is in a color story I will use, so I'm not mad at that. And I understand why they would put this in, because you don't know who's picking this up, so they covered people with deeper skin tones, fair, but then I also feel like it's kind of a waste. Plus, it's the same thing. Highlighter, I don't know, if you're a medium skin tone, you scored because you could probably use both of these. Maybe it'd be nice if she put a blush palette in instead of 2 highlighters. I was so excited because I've never tried this brand before, and I don't know, for $75, I feel a little, I don't know. Leave me your thoughts. Let me know if I'm being a little picky, or if you agree with me that for $75 for a mystery box with so many of the same product with very similar shades, and I don't know, in my head, but hey, if you did like this box, they're still available. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. If you could do me a huge favor, if you could click that thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.